presentations from Transformers is a recent masterpiece developed by Google, and with this, we can build amazing models, just like the fake news detector. The project we developed is mainly divided into two parts: training an NLP model for detecting fake news, and use this as a backbone to develop a web app which you can put in URL and detect the news that you're reading is fake or not. We're starting on a virtual machine with GPU on Colab. This block here is importing and downloading libraries needed. We found a dataset in Kaggle, which is called a Fake and Real News dataset. It contains 4 columns: title, text, subject, and date. We add the label, shuffle the data, and split them into train, valid, test sets. Then we download the BERT model with pre-trained weights and do transfer learning on the training data. We use PyTorch to train the model and output if news is fake or real and its possibility. As you can see here, during training, the average loss is going down and down, and at the end, it is going at a pretty low rate. Then we have a bunch of tests we run ourselves, and we have about 80% success rate on identifying fake news.
Hey, I'm Jeff Leonata, and I am going to explain the transition between the machine learning model and the web framework itself. The web framework that we used was Flask. Flask is a Python-based framework, and we thought it would be a good idea to try to learn this because we had previous experience with Python, and it was honestly great because we got to finish this project and build something pretty cool. So, this is the main notebook right here for the user interface. Right here we clone the repository, we load in the requirements, we load in the model from Ray's Dropbox, and then this is the app file itself. The model gets loaded in starting here, gets loaded again to the app. And the web scraper that we use to actually get the data is right here from the user. And then after that, we click the link, which is right here to the actual app. And hey, NLP fake news detector, inspired by the meme itself, fake news by Donald Trump. And this is not an endorsement to Trump. So just have this really propaganda poster for humor. This is kind of for the meme, but also pretty cool to use this technology to legitimize, I guess, fake news in some way. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to go through some articles that are appearing very legit, such as a Canadian news article from their government, from the government itself, and detect it. Some here, spacing's off, but it's really zoomed in before, over. Okay, so normal space, normal zoomed in. It will print out from the web scraper the title itself, the link referencing to the article, and right there you get it. And then the amount that is real. So the amount it's meant to say that it is probably real. I mean, 72.94%, that is a majority for real. And I guess it is kind of a scale where it's like, this is a majority and that is real. So go back here and let's pull up a fake or a suspect article, which is this. Very poorly designed, and never heard of Adobe Chronicles. So let's do this. Detect amount. It is 71.93% fake. Okay. Alright, with that said, this is our app. fake news detector, and it was a joy working with my teammates, and we are proud to present this to you guys, and hopefully we can make you guys laugh a little bit. Fake news, right?